Hi and welcome to OK Electrical channel. We are remodeling this house here, and today in this video I will show you how to put a light switch from an outlet receptacle. So we are putting lights over here. There were no lights here, so we will put we already make the holes. We will put these 4-inch recessed lights in those holes and put a light switch over here. We already roofing the boxes, and we will put one receptacle outlet down here, and we did find an outlet on the other side of the wall right here that we will pick power from this outlet here straight to the next outlet where we are putting out today, and from this outlet we will take the power here, bring to this light switch here to feed all these lights here in these stairs here. Okay, so as you can see now we everything is ready, so we will show you how we will pick the power from that outlet over there to feed this outlet on this side, and from this outlet how to feed the light switch here to connect to these lights here. Okay, so to control these lights here. All right, okay, we have now opened the outlet box here, and we pass one 14-2 wire from here to the other side of the wall where the new outlet will be, and from that outlet we will pick the power to the light switch. And before we do anything further, we will go and connect that receptacle the other side and the light switch, then come back here and to connect the power from this outlet right here. Okay, we have now connected the two black wires to the short slot side of the receptacle here, and the two white wires to the long slot side of the receptacle here, and we have pigtailed the ground and connected to the green screw right here. So the other wire that comes to the light switch here, we have connected the switch, pigtailed the ground, connected to the green screw here, and we have pigtailed the neutral together. And one black wire is the one that's coming from the receptacle there that brings in the power, and the next black is the one that's sending the power to the lights, and we have pigtailed the neutrals together in the switch box here. Okay, now as you can see, we have connected everything, the hard to the hard, the neutral to the neutral, and the outlet here, and transfer that power to this outlet right here. Okay, and from this outlet we took the power to the light switch right here, and as you can see we have put the lights up, the recessed lights. They are on, very nice. Okay, as you can see, turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on. Look at these beautiful lights right here. It's not finished yet, they are still on the job. We will have to change this thermostat here. As you can see, it's an old thermostat. Okay, we'll show you how to do that too later. But for now, in this video was to show you how to add a light switch and an outlet from an existing outlet. So this was the existing outlet right here. We picked up the power from here and come to the other side of the wall over here and put one outlet here for use, and put the light switch for these lights here, for these lights on the hall here for the steps. Okay, as you can see, the lights are on now. It's very nice. We are not going to put the covers for the light switch here and for the receptacle there till they finish with painting of the wall, everything. then we will put the covers on. Thank you everyone for watching.